What is determinism? Have you ever wondered whether your choices are truly your own, or if everything in your life was already decided long before you were born? This question lies at the heart of a powerful philosophical idea known as determinism. Determinism is the belief that all events, including human actions, are the inevitable result of prior causes. In other words, every decision you make is shaped by a chain of events that stretches back through time. Your genetics, your upbringing, your environment, and even the state of the universe at the moment you were born all combine to determine what you will think, feel, and do. The roots of determinism can be traced back to ancient philosophy, but it became especially influential during the scientific revolution. As scientists began to understand the laws of physics, many believed the universe functioned like a giant machine. If you knew the position and motion of every particle, you could theoretically predict the future with perfect accuracy. This idea is often called causal determinism. Determinism doesn't only apply to physics. In psychology, behavior can be seen as the result of past experiences and conditioning. In biology, our actions are influenced by brain chemistry and genetics. Even social determinism suggests that culture, economics, and social structures heavily shape individual choices. But this raises a troubling question. If everything is determined, do we have free will? If your actions were inevitable, can you truly be held responsible for them? This debate has divided philosophers for centuries. Some argue that free will is an illusion, while others believe free will can still exist within a determined system, a view known as compatibilism. There are also challenges to determinism. Quantum physics suggests that at the smallest scales, events may be fundamentally unpredictable. This has led some thinkers to argue that the universe is not entirely deterministic after all. Ultimately, determinism forces us to rethink what it means to choose, to act, and to be responsible. Are we authors of our lives, or characters following a script written by the past? The answer may not be simple, but the question continues to shape how we understand human nature, morality, and freedom itself.